How to find TikTok videos by sound. And find trending music. Don't forget to subscribe us at our YouTube channel, My Media Social.
How can I find TikTok videos using sound or music?
Here we show you simple steps on how you can find TikTok videos using sound or music.
Step 1. At your TikTok account, tap at the magnifying glass icon below. Step 2. You will enter the Discover area. Scroll below and find the music icon like shown here to find trending sound or music on TikTok. Step 3. Tap Use this sound icon below if you want to use the music or sound in your TikTok video. Step 4. Tap the red circle button to start recording your TikTok video using the sound or music. Step 5. However, if you know the name of the sound or music, you can always use the search bar here on TikTok to find the sound or music. Step 6. Type the name of the song or music on the search bar and the search result will be shown below. Tap at the list. Step 7. You can browse all the TikTok video content below that uses that song or sound that you have searched. For more info or tips, follow or subscribe us at mymediasocial.com.